18 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
It is warm and muggy, but I'm really not too concerned about a severe weather threat this evening, though any widespread storms because of a warm layer. As you go up in the atmosphere, that warm layer originating from the plains is gliding over the top of our area and producing what we call a cap. So it's suppressing any storms that try to develop in our area. I think after this, the main weather story for the next week will be a building heat wave here in the middle part of the country, and some of that heat's going to get in here. And as a matter of fact, we could be talking some of the hottest weather since the 1930s out here in Nebraska and Kansas. Some of the models today are bringing temperatures as high as maybe 115 or so out here in Kansas by later on this week. And that heat wave will build, it will expand. It'll be from Texas all the way to central Canada. And again, we're going to get in on some of that by later on this week. Notice a few of the scattered cumulus clouds, though, on our Renaissance cam right now. Again, the cap suppressing a lot of the development. If we could go to 3D, notice the sun is out. It's a good looking afternoon out there. I can't rule out a couple of storms, just a couple, trying to break through that cap this evening. 79 at 9, 75 at 11 o'clock, and then after that, we are in fine shape. As a matter of fact, the rest of the week looks dry, capped, and the heat wave will really start to develop around here later on in the week. Next chance of severe weather, perhaps a severe weather event, would be next weekend. Tonight, clearing skies, lows in the 60s, 63 Winamac, 65 Lafayette, 66 in Crawfordsville, and 64 Pine Village. Tomorrow, a great looking day, mostly sunny, not awfully humid, a nice breeze, and temperatures running 81 Rochester, 83 Logansport, to around 84 or 5 Frankfort. Also towards Colfax, Lafayette, Battleground, and Montmorency, 86 at Vedersburg. Notice on Futurecast, though, how tonight the skies clear out with nothing more than an isolated storm or two in the evening here into the early overnight, and tomorrow mostly sunny skies and those highs running well into the 80s. Notice the weather pattern here over the next 7 days. There's your 85 tomorrow, a little breezy. Now, as we get into Wednesday, we're still fine, mostly sunny, 86, but here comes the heat up from the southwest as we head towards Thursday, breezy, 91. The heart of that heat wave starts to arrive Friday. We're at 93 with a stiff southwest wind. All the storms way north of our area. 95 degrees as we head for Saturday. We will watch storm clusters just to our north, and a few of those may get in here during Saturday afternoon, evening. We'll have to watch that severe threat and a severe threat here on Sunday. But I tell you what, July 4th, the cold front goes through, 82, less humid, but I do think after the 4th, the heat will likely return later that week. So a few days around the 4th of July where the weather is looking good. 7-day forecast, 85 tomorrow, 86 Wednesday. There's 91 on Thursday, and the mid-90s on Saturday, 94 Sunday, and then back into the 80s for 4th of July. Thus far, the 4th of July is looking good, but boy, a lot of heat on the way. And looking at some of the model trends, you know, I'm going with 95. For some places, that might even be a little conservative. In fact, some of our western and northwest counties, maybe as high as 97, 98. We'll have to watch that.
Well, that is some heat if you like it warm.
Yes.
We don't see any triple digits for us, though, right?
Not so far, but boy, just head to Missouri. It's going to be brutal